Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles offer advanced performance for players seeking spin, control, and consistency on the court. Available in two variants, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to different playing styles while maintaining high-quality construction. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face that enhances durability and maximizes spin potential, allowing players to execute precise shots with better control. The RevCore Power Polymer Core delivers a balance of power and responsiveness, making the paddles suitable for a wide range of skill levels, from recreational players to advanced competitors. The Halo Pro is designed for players prioritizing power and aggressive gameplay. It combines a sturdy build with enhanced energy transfer for powerful volleys and smashes. On the other hand, the Halo Control focuses on precision and touch, making it an excellent choice for players who rely on strategic placement and finesse. These paddles are engineered to provide excellent consistency across all types of shots, from drives and dinks to serves and returns. The carbon fiber surface improves grip on the ball, contributing to better spin and shot accuracy. Additionally, the lightweight design ensures ease of handling, reducing fatigue during extended matches. Overall, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles deliver a premium playing experience with features that cater to diverse playing preferences. Whether you're a power player or a precision strategist, the Halo Pro and Halo Control offer the performance and reliability needed to elevate your game. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set, featuring USAPA-approved fiberglass surface paddles, is an excellent choice for players of all skill levels. Designed for both men and women, the set combines performance, durability, and value, making it ideal for recreational play or competitive matches. The paddles are constructed with a fiberglass face, which provides a balance of power and control. The fiberglass surface allows players to generate spin while maintaining precision in their shots. The paddles are lightweight, reducing strain during extended play and enhancing maneuverability, especially during fast-paced games. Inside the paddles is a polymer honeycomb core, which enhances durability and provides a consistent feel on every hit. This core design also minimizes vibrations, making the paddles comfortable to use and suitable for players looking to improve their skills or avoid hand fatigue. This set typically includes multiple paddles and balls, offering everything needed to start playing. The paddles feature ergonomic handles with a comfortable grip, ensuring a secure hold and better control during gameplay. The set is designed for outdoor or indoor play, adding versatility to its appeal. For beginners or families, this set is a cost-effective option that meets official USAPA standards, ensuring quality and reliability. It's also a great gift idea for pickleball enthusiasts or those looking to try the sport for the first time. Overall, this USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set delivers a combination of durability, performance, and value, making it an excellent choice for casual players, competitive athletes, or anyone looking to enjoy pickleball. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent all-in-one package for players of all skill levels, offering everything needed to enjoy pickleball. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and a convenient carry bag, making it ideal for beginners or families. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, which provides a balance of lightweight handling, power, and control. The graphite surface enhances shot precision and spin, giving players an edge in performance. Paired with the polymer RevCore, the paddles offer excellent durability and a consistent feel. This core reduces vibrations, ensuring a comfortable playing experience, especially during extended matches. Designed in the USA, the paddles embody quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. They are lightweight and easy to handle, making them suitable for players of varying skill levels, from novices to advanced competitors. The paddles also come with an ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort and control during play. The 3 included pickleballs are durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, offering versatility for different playing environments. The carry bag is both stylish and practical, providing an easy way to transport and store the paddles and balls. Whether you're new to pickleball or a seasoned player, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle delivers exceptional value and performance. Its high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and included accessories make it a reliable choice for enjoying the game with friends and family. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a premium option for players seeking a combination of power, control, and comfort. Designed with a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle offers excellent responsiveness and precision, allowing players to execute accurate shots with ease. The lightweight graphite face also contributes to faster reaction times, making it ideal for quick exchanges and competitive play. The paddle features a honeycomb core, which enhances its durability and provides consistent performance across all types of shots. This core design also dampens vibrations, ensuring a comfortable feel and reducing strain on the player's hand during extended games. A standout feature of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which enhances handling and provides a secure, ergonomic grip. This design ensures maximum comfort, reducing hand fatigue and improving control over the paddle. The grip is well suited for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors. The paddle's balanced weight and versatile design make it ideal for a variety of playing styles, whether you prefer aggressive power shots or precise dinks. Its construction also provides ample spin potential, giving players an added advantage on the court. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a reliable and high-performance choice for players who want a paddle that combines advanced materials, comfortable grip, and excellent playability. It's a great investment for those looking to elevate their game while enjoying durability and comfort. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking a balance of power, control, and durability at an affordable price. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle offers enhanced power for strong, accurate shots while maintaining a lightweight build for easy handling. The fiberglass face also allows for improved shot precision, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The paddle's core is made from honeycomb polypropylene, a material known for its durability and ability to dampen vibrations. This core design ensures consistent performance and a comfortable feel, reducing strain during extended play. It also offers excellent control, making it ideal for both aggressive and strategic gameplay. With its balanced construction, the paddle caters to various playing styles, whether you prioritize power, spin, or finesse. The lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it easy to maneuver, ensuring comfort and a secure hold for players of all ages and skill levels. Durable and versatile, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is suitable for both casual games and competitive matches. Its high-quality materials and thoughtful design deliver a premium playing experience at a cost-effective price, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate players looking to enhance their game.